Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Trivedi here. You're most welcome on my YouTube channel Ashu Official. If you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get such useful content which can help you to improve your spoken English. And today I'm here with Avino and we are going to have a podcast here. So how are you, Avino?
I'm fine.
Okay, so as you are joining me here for the first time for the podcast, would you mind introducing yourself, please?
Yeah, for sure. My name is Apne. I was born and brought up in Kanpur. As far as my education qualification is concerned, I did my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya Armapur and recently pursued a bachelor's in computer application from Kanpur University and now preparing for entrance exam of CAT.
Okay, so now just I want to know that why would you like to improve your spoken English?
There is a reason behind it. When I joined my college, my all friends are talking about Hollywood movies. They are talking English. So I was feeling that why I was not to initiate in the topic or in the conversation between them. So I also start watching English movies. When I start watching that, I was thinking that, or I was feel that I'm not able to understand. From
Exactly.
that, I started some learning of speaking and tried to watching more and more videos by which I can easily understand what is why we are speaking English. Or these are the basically that was reason for which I started. But now I think there are many reasons why which we should learn speaking English.
Absolutely right. So moving on to the next question, Avino, that what kind of difficulties do you face while learning spoken English?
In starting of my time, I first difficulties I see that I was not having a partner by which I can communicate. Because in a middle class family where all your parents are not having that much education that he will be able or she will be able to have a one-to-one conversation in English. So
Right.
I think that is the first difficulty. And then the second difficulty, I think I will not get the right content at the right time. That are the two difficulties I face.
Okay. So another question goes to you that as you are working on your spoken English, once you become a fluent speaker, what do you think? What kind of benefits will you get in your education or your career?
I think there are many benefits, but as for my, I think it will help me in boosting my confidence because whenever I speak in English, I think I have done something. I feel energetic. So first, definitely confident, and the second thing, it will also help me in clearing my exam or basically interview exam. As I told you, I was completing BC degree, so it will help me in preparing my or cracking my interviews.
Yes,
It
you are
will also
absolutely
help.
right. Like, first point is confidence. Like, if you will work on your English, it is going to help you in your exams, your interviews, wherever you go. Okay. So, what is your goal, by the way?
For right now, my short term goal is to achieve a job, and by when I will able to get a job, then I create a passive income. When I am able to create a way by which I can get a passive income, after that I can do something by my own self, like
Okay.
kind of a small business or something.
Exactly. So, ultimately, you would like to see yourself as a businessman.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. So, the next question goes to you, Avinav, that how do you spend your day and how do you manage your time mainly?
I can start managing my time in different slot. First slot is first and second slot of my morning will be for my classes, and third slot basically I can do some tuition classes by providing tuition classes. Then the third slot will be my going that, and the last slot, or which is basically at the evening time, I can spend with that time with myself, in which I can do walking or some physical activities and chilling out with friends. How is my day goes?
Okay. Next question, what makes you happy lately?
I think being with my family is the thing by which I get happiness or I get happy. And even also when I will be present with my school friends, they get me joy.
Okay. Now, another question, as you said about your academics and things, but whenever you get free time, do you do something?
At my free time, I used to read some books. Now I started having a habit of reading books. And whenever I get time, I can watching web series or movies. And I also love watching web series and listen music. That are the things which I can do in my
Now,
free time.
next question goes to you related to this particular academy, In Time Academy. What do you feel about it and how it is helping you to improve your spoken
As I
English?
told you earlier that I not get people where I can communicate. So in time academy will provide me that environment where I can communicate with the same level of student where at I should be at the same time, and I can also get some advice with our teacher that can help me in my beating my confidence, or they can boost my confidence whenever I feel that I can't speak in the front of people. They will help us, and the student are definitely game changer because they all motivating each another for speaking. So that is the environment I get here.
Yeah, so moving on to the final question of this session, that what do you feel like, as you already faced the camera two times, I think earlier,
Yeah, yeah.
and you are here for the third time. So how do you feel like, is it helping you to build your confidence?
As I remembered when I first time in coming in the front of the camera, I was feeling very nervous, and I will think how I can be manage all the questions, random questions. But when I do it for two times, but now I was feel that whatever the question came, I will be managed, and I right now I'm not fear as much I was fear in the first podcast. So I think that will help me in basically I get confidence for two times. So now I think I'm able to express my thoughts in the front of cameras. So now I think don't have any fear of camera right now.
Okay, so any piece of advice for those who want to learn spoken English? They are completely beginners.
I think who are beginner, they are doing regularly. First, that basically they are consistent. If they are consistent, they will be definitely able to speak English. That's it.
Sure, of course. Consistency plays a vital role, as
Yeah,
I
for
have
sure.
been practicing and I have been consistent to speak English better every single day. So, okay, thank you, Abhinav. Thanks for joining me and thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.